Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook the perfect chicken breast. Now chicken breast shouldn't come out looking like this, dry, rubbery, a little bit wrinkly on the top. It should look like this, tender, juicy and moist. And I'm going to show you quickly today how to achieve this at home. Pop your chicken breast on a bit of foil. We pop it on foil because we're going to wrap it when it goes in the oven because that keeps the moisture in during the cooking process. Spray it with a little bit of cooking oil. Use the spray, it's less calories than just pouring it on freehand. And then marinate it to add some flavour. So now we are going to wrap it in the foil and we are going to cook that in the oven at 165 degrees Celsius. Now this is a lower temperature and we're going to do it for a little bit longer because that helps to keep the chicken juicy and moist rather than drying out when you cook too quickly. Delicious, juicy and tender. Give it a try and I'll see you next week for my next top tip.